students, welcome to the next lesson on the chapter Understanding Elementary Shapes. In the last lesson we learnt about perpendicular lines and perpendicular bisector. So what are perpendicular lines? The lines which intersect each other at 90 degree or at right angles are known as perpendicular lines, and the line which divides the other line in two equal parts and also a perpendicular to it is known as a perpendicular bisector. Today we are going to start the next topic. In the last chapter we have studied about polygons. So what are polygons? A polygon is a simple closed curve bounded by only line segments. And what is the polygon made up of three line segments? That's correct, triangles. So today we are going to study more about triangles. In this lesson, we are going to learn the types of triangles. So triangles are classified on two bases. The first basis is on the sides and the second basis is on the angles. So classification of triangles on the basis of sides. This is a triangle. Okay? Triangle ABC. So when all the three sides of a triangle are equal to each other, then the triangle is known as equilateral triangle. In a triangle ABC, when AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, then the triangle is equilateral triangle. Okay, the triangle whose all the three sides are equal to each other is known as equilateral triangle. Now this is another triangle PQR. If in this triangle two sides are equal to each other, this line when I give, then it specifies that the lines are equal. Okay, so if two sides are equal to each other, then the triangle is known as isosceles triangle. In triangle PQR, when PQ is equal to PR, then the triangle is isosceles triangle. Is that clear? When two sides are equal to each other, see, these two sides can any two sides. PQ can be equal to QR as well. Okay, so if two sides are equal to each other, then the triangle is known as isosceles triangle. This is another triangle XYZ. In this, none of the sides are equal to each other. Okay, then the triangle is known as scalene triangle. Triangle XYZ is a scalene triangle. Is that clear? Now we learn classification of triangles on the basis of angles. There are three types of triangles on this classification, according to this classification. First is acute angle triangle. Acute angled triangle. Okay, in this triangle all the angles of the triangle are acute. Okay, you know what is acute? The angle which is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. So all the angles of this triangle are acute. triangle ABC is an acute angle triangle. Okay. The second one is right angle triangle. In this triangle, one of the angles of the triangle is right angle, that is 90 degree. Triangle PQR is right angle triangle, right angled at Q. Okay. And please note that a triangle can only have one right angle. Okay, it cannot have more than one right angle. The third type is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. In this triangle, one of the angles is obtuse angled, which you know what is that? An angle measuring greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. So if one of the angles is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, then it is known as obtuse angle triangle. And also a triangle can have only one obtuse angle. So triangle XYZ is an obtuse angle triangle. So this was the classification of triangles on the basis of angles and side. I hope you have understood.